Okay then, all you need for this is a stencil, a circular type. You can get these in most art shops and stationery shops where you live. Also, you need the subject matter. For this, it's going to be a front wheel of the 32nd Tornado GR.4. It has already been primed and sprayed XF86, which is a rubber black. Okay, now all you need to do is put the wheel and over one of the apertures and make sure it matches the circumference of the actual wheel hub. Once you're sorted and you're happy, then you can commit to paint. So all we're using is Attacker orange line paints, and we're going to start spraying it at a 90-degree angle. Try not to overfill the actual spraying. All you want to do is start with some light coats, and then once you're happy with the coverage, then you can start to angle your airbrush to make sure you get all of the wheel hub in and around the aperture of the stencil. Okay, all you need to do is take it off, have a look and see that you've got a perfect painted wheel hub. Okay, just to finish off, I'm going to weather the actual tyre now, or the wheel, using the AK Interactive's landing gear wash. So all you do, load your brush up, tap and flow, let it go around all the crevices, all the recessed parts, in and around and on top of the bolts. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, it is as easy as that. So you go off, you have a go and see what results you can get. Ta-da!